Hey there, welcome to another session of this course. And in this session, we are going to be building and programming a phone tilter. The materials for this class or for this session are displayed already. We have our screwdriver, got our actuator, got our microbits, we've got screws to connect the microbits to the ring bits, and then we've got Legos. So let's run through the names of these Legos. What we've got here are frames. Then we've got thin 1x5 beam, because the one there tries to tell us that there is only just one column, and the 5 tries to tell us that there are 5 holes on that column. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1x5 thin. So thin 1x5. So thin in the sense that when compared to the regular beam, this one is thinner. We've got 4x2 angular beams. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 2, 1, 2. So 4x2 angular beam. We've got a gear. We've got 1x9 beam, and of course you know the reason why now. And of course you know the reason now. Let's count the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1x9 beam. We've got pins, and we've got 3L pins. These pins can connect just 2 beams together, while these 3L pins can connect up to 3 beams together. We've got bushings, we've got axles, and here, and there are two types here. We've got the axle 8, which simply means when this axle is placed side by side with the beam, it covers just 8 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Axle 8. So the other one is axle 3, because when placed side by side with a beam, it covers just 3 holes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We've got an axle connector here. It can connect two axles together just like this. You can place one here and the other one at this end. Axle connector. So you can use it to elongate an axle. Good. We've also got 3x5 H-shaped perpendicular. 3 in the sense that we have 1, 2, 3 here, and also 1, 2, 3. Then 5 in the sense that this stem covers 5 holes. Let's count. There's supposed to be one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3x5 perpendicular H-shaped. The perpendicular there means the 3 is connected with the 5, formating the 5 at an angle 90 degrees. And H-shaped looks like a H. So some can call it I-shaped or H-shaped. So while we're done with that, the next thing we want to go into now is to build the phone tilter. One frame. Then we pick the thin 1x5 and place it here, just like this. We're going to pick the one axle 8 and then come from here. So that it stays out like this. Then we'll do the same thing for the other parts. We're going to pick this actuator and then let it come in through here. See that? Then in, to hold the actuator in place. And then we pick the other 1.5, pin 1.5, and then here. So we've got this. So these axles can always fall out. So let's lock it with the help of bushings. See that? So the actuator cannot come out. It's all fixed now. It's all fixed. So I'm going to pick the 3L pin and then one here and then another one here, right? So I'm going to pick one frame and then here you go, right? Then one more. There you go. Cool. We've gotten this. So we've gotten this part. So the next thing is to pick pins, 3 pins, and then 1, 2, 3 on both ends. 1, 2, 3. Right? So we pick the two 1x9 beams, one here like this, and the other one here, right? Then we pick 2 pins, one here, and then the other one here. Do for the other side, one here, the other one here, right? So we pick the 3x5 GH beam, and then pick another one for the other end, and then pick. So this is it. This is the base. It can always fall out, can always fall out. So we need something to hold it here. So let's just add 2 pins here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do it this way. 1, and then 1. So now it's not gonna fall, but it's gonna stay steady. Let's keep this aside. No problem. So the next thing we want to do now is to pick this axle connector and then connect it to the axle and the actuator like this. And then we pick the 1 by axle 3 and then so we pick the gear and then we connect here, connect it to the center, we connect it to the center of the gear like this. All right, so let's keep this aside. Next we want to do is to pick these 2 frames, pick one first, then add pins here and connect this other frame. Simple. So we pick the 4x2 beam, so we pick the 4x2 beam and then pick the 3L pin and then like this. Right? Then we pick this one, pick another one, and then we'll put a pin here. You pick another one, then like this. You get it? 4x2 beam, and then place 2 pins here. One, two, and then one more here, right? So pick another one and then lock here. You see that? Then we'll pick the 3L pin, then place it here. Then we'll pick another one, another 4x2. So we'll put another pin here, another 4x2. And then 8. So we are going to place this here, pick this, then see down. So I'm going to replicate this for here. Let's go. Here, see that, and then now, the next thing I want to do is to program the phone tilter. I am on my browser already, and I'm going to come to the search bar and enter makecode.microbits.org. I'm in, and I'm just going to come to new project and name it phone tilter, then create. Good. Now we will need an extension to control the movement of the actuator. An extension that will help us control the actuator, that will help us make the actuator to spin. And the name of that extension is called ring bits car. So we'll come to extensions here, and on the search bar here, we're going to enter ring bits car and then enter. So we're going to see here ring bit car electric motor bit package for ring bit car. So we'll load that extension into our project. Perfect. Now it has been loaded up already. Now we want, when we press button A, the actuator to spin right. The actuator to spin right in the actuator to spin right at 45 degrees. So when we press button A, the actuator has to spin right at 45 degrees. And when we press button B, the actuator has to spin left at 90 degrees. So it spins more on the left side. It spins more when we press button B than button A. So we'll come to input and drag out on button A pressed.
We will not be needing this. We'll not need this on start and forever blocks. So on button A pressed, we want it to spin right at 45 degrees. So we'll come to ring bit car and drag out spin right 0 degrees. Place it here. We change this 0 to 45. I want it to spin left when we press button B. So we can basically duplicate this, right click and then we click on duplicate. Then we change A here to B, and then this right we change it to left, and then 45 to 90. So when we press button B, it spins left, double the angle that it spins does when it spins right. So when we press button A and B, we want it to spin 180 degrees. That's if it's facing one direction, to face the opposite. So we'll come to on button A press and drag out on button. We'll come to impute and drag out on button A press. Then we'll change this A to A plus B. Now the reason why this block here looks and has this faded color is because this block has been disabled, meaning that and the reason is that there is another block, another same block as this in our project. So two blocks of the same type, two event blocks of the same type cannot be in the same project. So we need to change this A to A plus B, then the color is going to be back. So we'll come to ring bit car and drag out spin right 0 degrees again. Then I will change this to 180. And then we'll change the right here to left. So that's the code. On button A press, it spins right at 45 degrees. Button B, it spins left at 90 degrees. And on button A plus B press, it spins left at 180 degrees. The next thing we want to do now is to test our phone tilter.